Hey credit cousins, have you been denied a credit card or a loan by a member? Have you ever tried to dispute a negative item and your score dropped? Well, keep watching to learn more about what you can do to increase your credit score without deleting a negative item off your credit report. Also, make sure to stick to the very end to gain access to a free letter to help you increase your credit score. So if you ever tried to dispute a negative account with a credit bureau, you have had updates such as remarks on your credit report and it decreased your credit score. These remarks are made when you are disputing and they actually play a huge part in approving you for a loan, especially a mortgage loan. Sometimes lenders will check your credit report to see if there is a dispute comment showing, and they will ask for the dispute comment to be removed before approving you to help your credit score increase. Now, what type of dispute comments are on your credit report? Well, there are different types of credit dispute comments that do affect your credit score and some that do not. But first, before we dig deeper, make sure to subscribe, like, and press that notification bell for more content like this. So, did you know that your dispute comments on your credit report that usually say something like account disputed or account disputed investigation in process have no impact on your credit score, but lenders still want to see these type of dispute comments removed from your credit report, especially if these are comments that are attached to negative accounts. So if you do have a dispute comment on your account that says account was in dispute, now resolve, then this can impact your credit score, and sometimes this dispute comment can stay on your credit report forever. So this is why lenders don't worry too much of this type of dispute comment. But let's say a reinvestigation does happen, then this will show that the credit bureaus are doing an investigation, and within 30 to 45 days they will either update or remove the account. Also, it's good to note that sometimes the bureaus may change the dispute comment and it will say account disputed or dispute resolved, so it won't impact your credit score. So how do you remove a dispute comment to increase your credit score? If your account has a dispute comment, let's say you have a credit profile that has an overall positive history with no late payments or charge-offs or collections on your credit report, then removing a dispute comment can lead into a score increase. Now, what about when removing a dispute comment and your credit score decrease? You may want to avoid this when removing a dispute comment from a negative account than removing a dispute comment that may result into a score decrease. But sometimes you may have to go this route if a prospective lender asks you to do so. Now, do I recommend everyone to remove all of their dispute comments? No, I only suggest doing this if you are requested to do so by a lender, and that's usually when buying a home, because it can lead to your credit score getting decreased. So if you stick to the end of this video, you remember that I said in the beginning of this video that I have included a dispute removal letter just for you to download and use if you need to. The link will be in the description below for the dispute removal letter. Okay, make sure you guys grab that. And good luck on your credit journey. I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.